Stocks and news. For that, let's go to our researchers, Megha and Yatin. Megha, what's on your watch list when it comes to large cap?
Well, Nikunj, a very good morning, and look out for Hero MotoCorp. The company yesterday has said that they are going to cut the production of their two-wheelers by 15 to 18% in the next 5 to 6 months, essentially on back of weak demand, and the company does not want an inventory pile-up, and that's the reason why they are going for a production cut there. In fact, they're going to manufacture 4.48 lakh units in September, which is an average of 5.25 lakh units in the first 5 months of FY13 there. So this could be a bit of negative for Hero MotoCorp there. The stock has already cracked close to 8% in the last 1 month. Also look out for NMDC, and they have announced a joint venture with Jharkhand State Mineral for setting up a new mining company called JNMDC, where NMDC will hold 60% stake. Now this new mining company has been formed to explore and develop 115 hectares of iron ore mine in West Singhbhum region of Jharkhand there. This definitely is a positive for NMDC. If you look at the counter, it's trading above its 50-day moving average there. Also look out for ITC, and they're planning foraying into healthy breakfast, dairy products and drinks there, essentially to counter the decline in this volume of cigarette sales that might happen on back of anti-smoking drive that's gaining steam globally. So in order to counter that, they are foraying into other consumer products there. We might see a bit of positive coming in for ITC. If you look at the counter, it's trading below its 20-day moving average, has cracked close to 4% in the last 5 days.
Okay, Megha, thanks for that. Let's bring in Yatin as well to highlight the mid and the small caps in news. Yatin.
Good morning, Aisha. First stock to watch out for would be Exide Industries, but this time it's not the battery business which is in news, but the insurance unit which is in news. Do remember Exide Industries was looking at acquiring ING's group's 26% stake in their insurance unit, but now after ING has failed to sell it to other players for the last 3 or 4 years, now Exide Industries is very keen at acquiring this particular 26% stake which is on block by the ING group. So let's see how the particular insurance business pans out in terms of stake sale for Exide Industries. If you see really the FY12 performance, it has been almost flattish and it has been underperforming versus the industry. And now if ING exits, Exide Industries will get a better management control over the insurance business. So, that is one stock we need to watch out for. And Deccan Chronicle is one stock we need to watch out for, because the company has initiated a formal bidding process for their IPL team, Deccan Chargers. What we understand from our sources, and this is the 18 now exclusive, that Adani Group, Hero Group and Videocon are the front runners as far as the bidding process is concerned. Prima facie, the bidding process will be done for a period of 1 week, wherein all of the bids will be invited. Also, we have information that ICICI Bank and the bankers to Deccan Chronicle, they might also step in if the bids do not attract a particular valuation, and they will run the team for a period of 1 year unless and until there are new bidders or parties interested in this particular stake sale. And also we gather that 800 to 900 crores is the kind of bid that the Deccan Chargers team has received so far. So this is one corporate development everybody is watching out for.